Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Look at what we got here. 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. You just never know what's going to come in here on a day-to-day basis. But gosh, sure are happy this one came down today. I'm here with my buddy Robert. He bought it over 20 years ago. He bought it for his son. His son drove it for his junior, senior year in high school. Then he went off to Afghanistan, and when he came back, started a family, got to work, and he sold the Fairlane back to Pops. I got Robert here with me now, and this thing is awesome. There you go. Bought new in California. That is a factory original black plate California car. That's legit. We got some paperwork inside that says what dealer it was bought. I'll take a still picture of it. I believe it was in Albany, California. It's got original interior. Driver's seat has got a couple tears. I think a good upholsterer could take care of it. Back seat is in great shape. Passenger seat's in great shape. The door panels are presentable. Original steering wheel. We got 147,000 miles. Got the original radio. We didn't want to cut the dash. They put an aftermarket in the glove box. We got the original console here. Original carpet. That panel over there. Headliner's looking good. Took some still pictures. Looks like they added a few speakers in the rear. But there's a lot of cool original touches with this thing. It was painted by a reputable shop here locally under their ownership. They painted it close to the factory correct color that you can see underneath the trunk lid, underneath the hood lid, but it's got some metallic in it. So similar blue, but they jazzed it up with a little metallic. They did the exhaust, it sounds great. It's got the original 289 in there, but they maintained it. Did some maintenance to the engine over the years, put on an intake and a 4-barrel Holly, and got the exhaust, cross pipes underneath, new mufflers. I forget if he said MagnaFlow or Flowmaster, but it's got a great sound to it. It's an XL, it's a Fairlane 500, it's a factory 289 2-barrel. They turned it into a 4-barrel. We'll take a peek on the other side. This door panel, the light has blown out the plastic there on the passenger side. But it's got some serious originality, this one. It's got the vinyl top. It's not perfect, but it's not in bad shape at all. The spots that I saw are on the driver's side. Bright and sunny out here in Anderson today. We're down at Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Thanks for tuning in. You can see we got a couple. You know, this is the big tear. This one looks like it's starting to tear, and then smaller and smaller. And so, you know, the next person, whatever your vision is, you know, some guys like to remove them, some like to leave them. I don't see the bubbles that you would see from vehicles that are struggling underneath. Glass is good. I'll take a few still pictures with it up. They put new Kragers on, but he has the original steel wheels and the original hubcaps. So if you wanted to put it back to a stock look, you can. All the trim is nice and it's original. The chrome bumper in front is beautiful, original. The headlight bezels, the grille, you know, they peeled it off for paint, put all that stuff back on because it was all in nice condition. We got a couple rock chips here, or incidents in the garage is what Robert likes to say. We got 2 there. I think I saw another one over here. Thought I saw maybe one more on the driver's side. Yeah, I did. This is a small one over on that side. When they stripped it down, I love working with this guy, Robert. He's just like we are here at Platt Motors. He believes in honesty and transparency. He told me everything he knows about the car. So feel free to call me with questions. He's owned it for 20 years. He knows it intimately. He said right here, when they stripped it down, they noticed there was some Bondo in there. So what they did is they got rid of it. They cut it out. They did it right. And they got it back going. Robert's never taken it out in the rain. They've garage kept for his 20 years of ownership. I noticed when I lifted up the hood and wanted to take it back down, you could see that, how it's popped up a little bit. That's because those, it was a little tight coming down. So I've seen that with some vehicles over the years. And I think at one time, they might have went too hard. So they may be able to be greased up so they're a little smoother, but you can see it's kind of popped up a little bit. And I noticed when I opened the hood and I put it back down, it was kind of slow going in the beginning. I could feel the tension. So but anyway, 67 Ford Fairlane XL 500, black plate, California car, 20 years ownership. Few tasteful upgrades, but it's still really authentic. See one more chip over here. It's got good chrome. It's got good glass. It's got a great sound. It's got an original interior. It's got an original dash. It's got an original steering wheel. It's got the original console. He's got the original steel wheels. If you don't like the Kragers, you're more than welcome to have it. We know this car was bought new in the East Bay, outside of San Francisco Bay, over near Oakland. I believe that Ford dealer was in Albany, which is East Bay. So we got a lifetime California car. It doesn't get much better than this. Robert is an honest and transparent fellow. Just the way we like to do business here at Platt Motors. And this is a beautiful 1967 Ford Fairlane XL 500. Black plate California car. Feel free to call me anytime. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448. PlattMotors@gmail.com. PlattMotors.com. We got Pops and Robert over there having a good time, chatting about the old days and old cars. That's what we do. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. I'm taking this one on consignment today, and I am proud to advertise, market, and represent this beautiful piece of Ford history. So feel free to call me anytime. I appreciate you looking at my videos, and I look forward to talking to you soon. See ya.